90s grunge makeup is back, baby, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. I actually got many comments saying that this was a 1920 style of makeup, so you can choose what you want to call it, but I definitely think that it is a 90s grunge makeup. And what I love about it is that it is so easy. So first, what you saw was me taking a dark gray charcoal eyeshadow and placing it on the top of my eye. And anything I do to the top, I do to the bottom. So I placed it very low on my bottom lash line as well, deep into the socket of my eye. And that's what really gives it that grunge feel. Now, I did just do a second layer, and that's because I want it to look really nice and dark. I want it to be grungy. I want it to have that really smoky feel, and this just kind of gives it that extra oomph. You can choose to do 1 or 2 layers or even more if you like, but I think that this just makes it look the best. Now, I do take a light gray, almost a chalky eyeshadow color, and I place it all over the dark gray and on the bottom. I do this because it gives it a very nice blown out smoky feel. And that's it. How easy.